The next three areas all fall into a similar bucket. GoHighLevel does each of them well enough to replace a dedicated tool for most people, but you might not go out and pick the platform specifically for any one of them. Starting with the calendar, GoHighLevel has a built-in appointment scheduler that fully replaces a tool like Calendly. It syncs with Google Calendar, handles individual and team bookings, and every appointment can automatically trigger workflows in the rest of the platform. The interface feels a little dated, but functionally, it does everything that most people need. And next is AI. GoHighLevel has a growing stack of AI tools, including voice agents that can answer phone calls, conversation AI that can handle chats with leads, and content AI for writing emails. They're generally impressive for an all-in-one platform, even if they're not always going to match the most specialized AI tools out there. And finally, courses. GoHighLevel includes a course and membership builder, and that replaces something like Kajabi, Thinkific, or Teachable, at least at the basic level. It's a great fit if you're a coach delivering programs or running a small membership, but if you're building a serious course business with hundreds of students or more, a dedicated platform is probably going to serve you better.